There should be a standard in the Senate when conducting an investigation. This is according to political analyst Professor Antonio Contreras. He said the level of credibility of a witness must be established. This as the testimonies of some witnesses appeared to be hearsay, just like the Senate hearing on the alleged PDEA leaks. However, Contreras clarified it doesn't mean the witness was lying, but he or she must be reliable.
So, ano ang ma-achieve nito? Anong kabutihan ang may dudulot dito sa bayan? Isang di umano ay pangyayari na nangyari 2012 pa. So, ano ang ibig sabihin nito? So, tanging si Senator Bato de la Rosa lamang makakasagot dito. Ano ba talagang layunin nito? Kasi lahat po ng investigasyon sa Senado, ang layunin po niyan either in aid of legislation or to exercise its oversight functions. Ngayon kung in aid of legislation ito, dapat linawin ni Senator de la Rosa ano bang batas ang gusto niyang gawin.